So you buy yourself a Pit Boss. Now what? Well, you're gonna need to know how to use this thing, all right? So the first thing you want to do is understand the controls of this MIDI controller here, all right? There's several different functions, and number one, you gotta know how to set the temperature. Number two, how to set the smoke setting, all right? And then you gotta know about the P setting, how to fill this hopper up right there with the pellets. And then there's different functions of this grill here. This little flap here goes down. Up here as you can see this, yeah, you see it, all right? That little thing, you twist it left and right, and it allows more smoke or less smoke. And another thing, these grill plates, there's this little lever there, right there, you see it, right? Okay, so that lever right there, you use that for the open flame function, all right? That's another thing you got to know about the Pit Boss. Another thing I recommend you guys get is a cover. Definitely gonna need a cover because this thing ain't cheap. You know, I paid $600 for this thing like 2-3 years ago, and I'm not trying to buy a new grill tomorrow, all right? So I already did that mistake with my last grill. Go ahead, buy you this very nice cover and cover the dang grill. If it's gonna rain, don't be lazy. Get your butt out there, cover the grill, all right? Because you won't be sorry. You take care of this thing, it's gonna take care of you. All right, and like I said, I've made this mistake before. I'm not gonna do that again. So I got my cover. Every time it's about to rain, if I forget, my wife, she pulls me by the ear. She tells me, go cover that grill, you know, because sometimes I forget too. All right, but yeah, definitely this cover is worth it. Spend the money. You're gonna need to learn how to clean your grill. And this is a long vacuum, boom. And I'm cleaning right in there, right inside of there, you can see. That's where all the pellets get fed in through, and it accumulates a lot of dust. So what I do is I just use the shop vacuum. I scrape everything down. And you know what? I have a video on this. Why am I explaining it to you guys again? Just click this link up here, man. Watch the video. I go into detail on how to clean the grill. But you definitely want to do that, because if not, what's going to happen is the grill's not going to heat up, and you're going to be wondering, why is my meat not cooking? What's happening? And you're gonna have your wife or your girl coming down your neck and saying, "Hey, what's up? Where's the food at? Where's the food? The kids, I'm hungry. Kids, Dad, is the food ready? Dad, is the?" Just clean the grill, man. Check that video. I'm telling you. But definitely clean this thing every other use. Up here is a delicious turkey I made last Thanksgiving, and I have the full recipe on my DIY section of my YouTube here. You'll be making these delicious turkeys as well. But if you want to have all the details on how to make this thing, because it was really good, then go ahead and check out my video on how to cook and smoke a turkey. Definitely won't be sorry. It's very simple. You know, it doesn't take a lot. Just about anyone can smoke it and have it taste really good, and you'll be the hero on Thanksgiving. You don't have to wait till Thanksgiving. You want to make this every single day, then go for it. You want to make it twice a day? Go for it. No, but really, check it out. You know, I spent a lot of time putting that together. Just consider hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to this channel, because I'm always coming out with new Pit Boss material, you guys, and anything relating to smoking. Ooh, forgot to tell you, I made some delicious wings. I mean, the very best wings I've ever made on the Pit Boss. And you can grill these on the Pit Boss, make them look just like this. All right, I do have a video link for this. I'll put it in the description and above here. But check it out. I go into detail on how to cook these wings, how to use the temperatures of the Pit Boss to get the same char, okay? You got to make sure that they're ready before you start marinating them at the end and tossing them, all right? So there's a process to the madness, all right? Go ahead and check out that video, you guys, but you definitely need this, all right? Oh, you didn't know? You can make a ham with pineapple and smoke it? Look at that thing. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my top secret ways to make a ham, and it's really not that difficult. It's not that crazy. All right, I'm gonna tell you right now, because I actually don't have a video on how I smoke my ham. So listen up. I just get these pineapples, throw them on here. Before I do, though, I put just honey. Get regular honey, don't overthink it. Get that honey on here, glaze it all up. Cajun pepper, dude, lemon pepper, garlic salt. You throw your pineapples on top. throw it in the pit boss for 2.5 hours at 250. Forget about it. Make sure the ham is already pre-cooked, then smoke it. Man, you'll be thanking me, trust me. Damn, Gina, what you know about that? Ribs, links, beans, potato salad. Homie, this is the business right here. Matter of fact, I sold this for a fundraiser for my kid, Jogathon, last year. I sold like 50, 60 plates. Didn't advertise much. I did get some help with the beans, so I'll give my brother credit for those because they were delicious. But these ribs, oh, he made the potato salad too. That's right. But look, when it comes down with it, you have to use that pit boss and get smoking, man, because you'll be making some bomb plates like this. You won't be sorry. Trust me, they're good. And by the way, I have a rib recipe and details on how to cook it and smoke it on the pit boss. Just check the video link. All right, another pit boss product, you guys. I made some links, some smoked chicken, and these are the beans. I made them this time. This was for Super Bowl. We did turkey ham, turkey bacon, all this other stuff. These beans are really good, by the way. I should make a video on that. However, that wasn't my recipe. I can't take credit for it. That's my brother's. But I did make this one in my own way, so I can probably still make a video for you guys. I will have to give him credit because he's a master smoker. Hopefully he starts a channel too, because he has a lot of insights on how to smoke and how to make food. That's where I learned from. But look, you'll be making chicken, links, all this stuff on the pit boss. Like, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go out, buy the pit boss already. Dude, that about wraps it up, you guys. Look, would I buy the pit boss again after this thing dies on me? Definitely. I would buy another one for the next 20 years. Look, if you're thinking about buying a pit boss, definitely go buy one. If you need some money, just hit me up. I'll let you borrow some. Just kidding. No, but seriously, buy the pit boss. Totally recommend it. All the functions and features, dude, you can figure it out just watching a couple of my videos, some more on YouTube. There's a lot of good people on YouTube showing you how to use this thing. You can read the manual, of course, but look, I got a bunch of recipes how to use this thing. But more than just the recipes, I recommend this thing, man. Like, come and cook with me, come and smoke with me, man. Have a beer. Let's go, man. Let's make some food. All right, see you guys on the next video.